Yo, I left my keys in the car, Doug.
That's why you leave your windows down.
I don't know why I locked myself out of my own car.
You don't know why either.
What you're about to experience in this video is awful, horrifying, and dangerously hacked. Beware and proceed with caution. Yo, I need to give you guys an explanation as to why I decided to partake in fixing my Honda Accord. It is very embarrassing, the outcome of the project I took part in, but I have a good explanation for it. A few weeks back, if you recall watching one of my videos, I ran into an issue where the quarter panel on my 96 Accord completely stripped off.
I know that was gonna happen.
Yo! Chunks of metal were missing in my quarter panel. There was literally a hole, and it was all because of the rust that accumulated over the past, I don't know how many years of its life. Unfortunately, winters do that here to our cars, and I figured before it got even worse, I would try to fix it up. The challenge, though, was I had to fix it up with the given products and resources and supplies that I had at home without leaving my place. So I figured, challenge accepted. Unfortunately, the biggest challenge was accepting the fact that it looked like utter shit. There are ways to make it look a lot better than it is right now, but that would require another couple days of work. Body work is not my thing on a car. Body work is not my thing. You guys are witnessing this. It is November the 10th, and I'm out in a fucking t-shirt. It is so nice outside. I'm trying to take advantage of it all. So we are planning to winterize the Honda Accord. We need to make sure it's prepped for the winter because our winters here are very harsh. We're gonna try to get all this done today. What I'm gonna be trying to do is cover up all the weak points in the rust and the corroded areas of the car. Gonna try to patch it up as much as I can. It was a chain reaction. We had rust just completely chip away from back here all the way down. The weather strip completely came off. So that's kind of a pain in the ass, but as you can also see, we got a hole right through here. So that doesn't look that pretty, but I want to try to solidify that a little bit more. So this is it. It's very harsh. I wouldn't recommend this if you were trying to really do a good job on your car, personally speaking, and I'm no professional at any means. Welcome to another episode of Fucking Up Your Own Ride. All right, well, fuck that.
Team deathmatch.
This is gonna be awful, guys.
And we say bye-bye.
So you got some fiberglass with the hardener cream.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
All right, so after first time experience.
What is that, Ferrari?
All right, folks, I feel very embarrassed, but I don't really give a shit about that, so I'm just gonna post this anyways. So as I'm taking a break, letting the Bondo dry, I quickly looked up to see how long it would take to dry. Usually the instructions are on the freaking bottle of whatever it is you're using, but I got Bondo all over it, so it says 10 to 15 minutes until it's cured and you can actually start sanding it down.
What?
I mean, I don't know. I wish there was vodka in that water. Jesus Christ, I can't believe I'm doing this. All right. Seriously. What the fuck? Okay, so that's how the rubberized coating looks like. Okay, so the plan is I have to let this sit for about 6 hours to dry, And then I can go over it with primer and then probably like a clear coat. We're gonna call it Picasso, you know, just Picasso this, Picasso that. I almost feel like Bob Ross, except not as talented.
One eternity later.
I got this part smooth, but I can definitely tell there's going to be an issue here because there's too much Bondo. I knew that from the get-go. It's just, it was really difficult with what I was dealing with. I just didn't know how to properly mix it, and I think I put too much hardener and I didn't have enough time to spread it around evenly. So with that, I have to sacrifice more time in sanding. So I've gotten the grittier stuff. I'm trying to go along the edge here. As you can see, I've already taken out a good chunk of it, so it's getting smoothened out now. I'm just trying to follow that through so there's no like big obvious gunks like this sticking out. Yeah, failure can't get any better than this. I tried, I really did. I kind of messed up prepping this, so as you can tell, it started off okay, and then it went really chunky out here because this is where there was nothing left of the body. This entire panel was just a chunk missing. I went over it in a thicker gradient and I tried smoothing it out down here, and this is where it got really tough to keep it linear. But I'm gonna try to paint over it because I really don't give a shit. Mask off, fucking mask off, okay. So it probably does look really shitty if I look at it again tomorrow. Yeah, it looks shitty as fuck.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Well, hopefully you guys laughed with me during that entire process. That was absolutely hilarious and so much of a fail. It does the job, but it doesn't look good. But to begin with, the car looked like shit beforehand. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Is that a mission accomplished or is that a mission failed?
Mission failed.
But seriously, if you guys need advice on how to fix rust or anything on your car related to bodywork, don't come to me for advice. Oh, gross. I even have dust on my nostrils. Yee. Look at all that dust. That's what happens when you don't think twice about the consequences of doing bodywork on your car with doors wide open.
Later that same evening.
I got my clear coat and my primer.
The next day.
Yeah, it's a lot worse than I thought.
Stand by for further details.
I mean, it's uniform. I mean, it's cracked out, but it's uniform. Holy fuck, I'm gonna get high just smelling it.
Yeah, you can open the door, you can see.
Holy tits. Alright, now it's an $800 price. Alright? Yo, this is even too nice for the bush, man. Yo, $800 right now. Mint.
Yo, what do you think? Going right back to it.
What? It gets better the more you discover.
Yours to discover, my friend.
You can still smell it.
Oh, dude, it's still fresh. It's still fresh.
Let's
But
see
yo,
the other side.
even in the fucking door, like here, I went right down.
Did you do the other side?
Yeah, I did.
Well, Tom's a man. It's good. Did you even wash it? That's all you need. That's all you need.
Look at this!
Guys, it smells absolutely atrocious in here. It smells like I just sprayed a full bottle of primer right up my nostril. I'm getting high sitting in my own goddamn car. I didn't realize how awful it looked. That's exactly what you do not want to get as a result when it comes to doing body work on your own goddamn car. You want to avoid what I just did. This is exactly another reason why I told myself you should not go into auto body repair. Oh man. Yeah, just don't do this at home, kids.